Yeah, we are back again to Boti waterfalls. Now it's in the raining season, so I can already hear the sound of the waterfalls. The last time when I came, it was in the drying season, so there was no waterfall. But for now, they are there. So let's go and check. This is the place. This is the place called Boti Waterfalls. Oh, now it is raining. The boat is shaking very much. The water is very cold. We have to go back. Oh, there's too much. Now we are on our back home. After that adventure, that wet adventure. Oh, it's a nice experience. It's a nice place. Nice environment. Nice waterfalls. Oh, I'm feeling cold. Careful, be careful. It's slippery. A lot of stones are here. Hey, people are there. Hello. Oh, is that for me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. That's nice.
Bye.
Hello.
What am I doing? Wow, it's so cool.
Heißt so bei der Dachaltstein.
Richtig. Oder ausschaut wie ein Regenschirm. Cause it looks like an umbrella. Oh. Nice. Yeah, don't worry. Komm, wir gehen zurück. We're going back. Let's go to the other side.
Hello, wrap out. I'm a done. Brian. Brian. Oh.
Now last one is coming. So how do you see the place?
You know, the place is nice.
Yes, this one is a nice environment. Yes, in the jungle.
So if you want to come anytime that you want to watch this place, you can come. You understand?
Yes,
It's a very nice.
very nice environment.
Hey, take time.
Yes, not town.